In this video, we'll be talking about the important issue of gas leaks in your attic and why it should be on every homeowner's radar screen. We'll guide you in spotting the signs of a gas leak in your attic space so you can deal with it pronto. Also covered are the health risks linked to exposure to leaks and why it's key to have regular checkups done by professionals. Understanding gas leaks is crucial for keeping your home environment safe and sound for both you and your dear ones, including pets. We will touch upon the perils associated with gas leaks, like fire hazards and health issues, while also shedding light on measures you can implement to safeguard your living area from risks. After watching this video, you will have the information needed to ensure the safety and protection of your attic. Exploring gas leak issues. Gas leaks happen when gases, like gas or propane, are released by accident from where they're supposed to stay contained. Think of attics, for example. This can happen because of things like broken appliances or old pipes that are falling apart over time and allowing the gas to escape into the air. It's really important to be able to tell when a gas leak is happening for safety reasons. One way you might notice it is by smelling an odor that smells like rotten eggs. Furthermore, you may notice a noise. Feel symptoms such as headaches or dizziness. Understanding these signs can enable you to respond promptly and avoid potentially hazardous circumstances. Ensuring there are no gas leaks in your attic is important to keep your home safe and secure. One useful way to achieve this is by utilizing gas detectors that give alerts when gas is detected in order to take action. These tools play a role in detecting leaks before they become incidents. Additionally, detecting signs like rust or damage in pipes and fittings can help identify leaks. Make sure to be aware of any odors or unusual sounds in your surroundings. By staying attentive and taking action promptly when needed, you can significantly decrease the chances of dangers related to gas leaks. Health hazards linked to gas leakage. Being exposed to gas can cause symptoms like headaches and feeling disoriented or sick and tired. It's important to pay attention to these warning signs as they indicate a problem that shouldn't be ignored, as it could lead to severe consequences. Continuous exposure to gas can result in health issues such as breathing difficulties and damage to the nervous system. It's crucial to understand that minor exposure over time can be harmful. If you suspect a gas leak is present in your surroundings, taking action without delay is vital. Clear the premises for safety reasons. Ensure proper ventilation in the area while seeking expert advice to evaluate the circumstances thoroughly and safeguard yourself and your family from possible hazards. It's important to keep your attic free from gas leaks to maintain a living space for you and your family. Make sure to schedule maintenance for your gas appliances and systems, as this can help catch any problems early before they escalate. Also, correct ventilation in the attic is key, as it helps prevent gas accumulation and promotes the dispersal of leaks. Ensure that all vents are unobstructed and working properly. Place carbon monoxide detectors around your house to enhance safety measures, especially near sleeping quarters. These gadgets can warn you about gas levels. Give you a sense of security and safety in your home environment by taking proactive steps to minimize the chances of gas leaks that could endanger your household members. If you think there might be a gas leak, you should act promptly and securely, as it is very important to do so for everyone's safety. To begin with, evacuate the area away, ensuring that everyone, along with pets, exits the place. Once you are at a distance, call emergency services to inform them about the situation. It's advisable not to use devices such as switches or create open flames, as they could trigger the gas. Do not try to find the leak on your own. Once you have contacted emergency services, inform your gas company about the leak for help. They possess the skills to manage the situation securely and efficiently. To sum up, dealing with gas leaks in your attic is crucial for keeping your home and family safe and healthy. We talked about how to recognize gas leaks and the potential health dangers linked to them. Additionally, we discussed steps you can implement to safeguard your living environment. It's essential to conduct upkeep work and ensure airflow while also relying on detectors to maintain a safe environment. If you suspect a gas leak at any time, take action by evacuating, as safety comes first. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell icon to get notified about new videos, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.